Welcome back. My name is Theresa and I'm very much hands. I have an awful garbage filthy mouth, so viewer discretion is advised. But if you're not into that or weird shit in general, this is definitely not the place for you. Feel free to exit the video here. No harm, no foul, but I'll remember our time fondly. We have another Look Fantastic box, y'all. This is the Icons box. This is a special limited edition box. Ooh. So if you've never heard of Look Fantastic Icons box, well, bitch, let me tell you a little bit about it.
The Look Fantastic Icons Hero Edit is here, and this box is full of items perfect for holiday gifting or snagging for yourself.
So this box retails for $80. However, Look Fantastic was kind enough to give me a coupon code. So if you were interested in checking this out, you can get this box for 22% off if you use the code Theresa22. Again, if you use the code Theresa22, you'll get 22% off this box, which I believe brings it to $62.40 if I'm not mistaken. Without further ado, let's open this box. Now, keep in mind this is worth over $225 worth of stuff, so my expectations are fucking high. And I also karate chopped that box too, so that was fun. Ooh, okay. All right, so in this little card, you have a little QR code if you want to check that out. And then this is all the stuff that comes in the box. Oh, fun. Ugh, so gross. I'm so over these pubes. So the first product is from Bioderma, and this is the H2O pump, and this is worth $15.99. And basically this is a micellar water. Yeah, right? Micelle water? Micellular glucose? Mitosis. This is that mitosis water that all the kids talk about. Okay. That's not bad, not bad. We're off to an okay start. Oh shit, bitch. We got some by Terry. Okay, what the fuck is this? This is the Brightening CC Serum in Sunny Flash. This retails for $21.23. I love a specific number. I do love me a good by Terry product. They are fun usually. So let's see. Is this too dark or too light or... Oh, this is... Yeah, okay, so that's definitely a no for me. Yeah, this is a glowing base. Okay, let's see. If I keep rubbing it in, it's only gonna get worse. Yep, yeah, okay. Looks like I have bad fake tan on my hands. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Oh yeah, that looks like shit. Okay, hold on, we gotta wash our hands, but this is a no. Okay. Oh, yay. All right. I love these silk hair ties. Never tried from this brand though. This is from the company Silk London, and this is a Bluebell hair tie worth $6.50. The slip ones are fabulous. This one feels good. Not as good as the slip one, but whatever. In a pinch, we love a good hair tie. And now I'm so goddamn bougie. It's like, I can only have silk on my hair. I hate myself so much. Okay. Moving on. Ooh, okay. What the hell is this? This is from the brand Merci. Again, to my French kids, I'm so sorry. This is hand cream in Namaste. Okay, it's a Namaste hand cream. Retails for $7. And let's see, can I even try it? We are entering a season where, actually, I won't be here for much longer. Ooh, it has blue shit in it. Yay. Okay, but listen, I love a good hand cream, so I'm gonna be kissing those harsh winters goodbye, bitch. But I'm still gonna be dry as fuck because I plan on having my apartment 62 degrees year round. Actually, if I could get it down to 40, that's even better. What can I say? I like to dry age myself, okay? Anyway, this feels not bad. I don't know what the blue things did other than disappear into my skin. It didn't really, you know, I don't know. It was kind of fun, I guess. We love blue shit in this channel. So, yeah, okay. This is a vegan, 96% natural origin. Love that's 96%, okay. Yeah, okay, it feels nice. It doesn't feel sticky, slimy, or anything. It feels pretty comfortable. My skin feels nourished, so this is gonna live next to my workstation for the time being. So, we love a good hand cream. Oh, Sally Hansen, bitch. Haven't seen one of these in a long time. Actually, I don't think I've ever seen this product at all. Maybe I'm just talking about Sally Hansen in general, but anyways. This is a Nail Rehab Oil Cuticle Balm, and this retails for $10. I could use, actually, this product because my cuticles are dry as fuck, especially on this finger. Oh my God. Okay. Ooh, didn't really do much of anything except, actually no, I take that back, it is. I feel like this is definitely, I'm not gonna see results immediately, but my cuticles sometimes, especially on my thumbs, specifically this one, usually gets pretty rough. So I'm actually happy to have this. All right, not bad. The next product is from Dr. Brandt, which I feel like I've only gotten this product pretty much in every BoxyCharm box I got in my lifetime. I feel like Dr. Brandt was just one of those brands that was always there. Now they decided to sleep with Look Fantastic, but here we are. And I feel like I had this product before. It sounds very familiar. Yes, I did. I remember not liking it. Yeah, I didn't like this one. Okay. Yeah, I remember because of the red font on this. So this is worth $79, and this is a microdermabrasion age-defying exfoliator. So I'm actually just gonna pass this off to my friend. Maybe they'll have a better experience than I did. Oh, okay. So the next one's from a brand called Rain Cry. And this is a little collection of, yep, shampoo and conditioners, I believe, right? Illuminating shampoo with shine enhancing sea kelp, activated charcoal, and hibiscus. And then you have Radiance Rinse, a high gloss conditioner with fortifying keratin amino acids, lavender extract, and cherry vinegar. Okay. All right. Intrigued to try that. I love a brand called Rain Cry. Very, very dramatic. We're almost getting towards the end here. The next thing is from, ooh, Tropez. Oh, I had one of these and this was terrible. Not to say that it's a terrible product. It actually is very fucking effective. But as someone who doesn't self-tan, listen, I am an uncooked chicken. I'm not trying to turn myself into a plump fryer. I only do that with bronzer. On my hands and arms, I like to pretend that I'm a see-through fish at the bottom of the ocean because that's just what I am. That said, this thing actually does work because I sprayed it on my hand and for like a hot minute, I had this fucking disgusting weird orangey brown spot on my hand. Not cute. It looked real, all kinds of bad. All kinds of bad. So this actually does work. Just not my cup of tea. But hey, for someone that actually does like self-tanning, you might like this. And this is basically the Purity face mist sample worth $8. And a part of me really wants to put this on my face. Actually, is this the one that I tried? No, I think I did. I think I did. A part of me wants to do this to my face, but I know better. I know better. I'm not gonna do that, but like, I'm tempted to just fuck my face up with this just to have a good laugh, but I know I'm gonna cry about it later, so bye. The next thing is from, what the hell is this? I don't even know what this is. This just seems really all kinds of fucking high tech. This is worth $50, by the way. And this is the Babor 38, no, Babor, I think it's Babor 30, oh my god. Babor 3D Firming Ampules? What the fuck? What is this? Okay, hold on. Oh, what is this science project? Oh my god. This is... Oh my god, I acted as if like these were about to fucking about to break open and then all of a sudden like pour out and then I would turn into a fucking mutant. That's literally how I just acted right now. Oh my god, what the hell do you do with this? Oh, this is too complicated. I'm scared. What is this? But also, why am I so intrigued? I should read the instructions, but I'm kind of like, no, why not I just fucking... Do you drink this? What do you do with this? Oh, it doesn't help that it's not in English. I don't know what this is. Hold on, wait. The back of the box was not in English. It's German. Okay. Okay, I have no idea what it says, but let's see. This looks like it's in English. Oh my god, really? I'm not gonna put something on my face that has this much instructions. It keeps going. What is this? Oh, okay, here's a diagram. When in doubt, stupid Americans love a good diagram. Just a heads up for any foreign brands watching this. Oh, it's a face workout. Wait, no, I have to do face workouts? Wait, I'm... Wait a second. What the fuck is this? Okay. Wow. So wait, are these specifically different ones? 3D firming. Okay, so that's 3D firming. And then this is 3D firming. Are they all 3D firming? 3D firming. So wait, why does it make it sound like there's so many different things in here? Oh no, I'm such a fucking idiot. That's the actual product name. Okay, great. An active concentrate for declining skin firmness and facial contours. Valuable organic silica and extracts of yellow horn poppy help improve the appearance of firmness and elasticity to the skin's surface. It improves lifting and smoothing and all. Okay, so great, but like how the fuck, how do you do this? Oh, it's external use. Don't eat it. Don't be like me, don't eat it. For best results, apply the cleansing Babor or Babor or whatever cleansing products. Shake the ampule and wrap a tissue around the neck of the ampule to use enclosed ampule opener. Okay. With the other hand, grasp the neck of the ampule and snap it open to lower colored ring. Pour the concentrate into the palm of your hand and smooth it all over your face, neck, and décolleté, whatever. Pat the concentrate gently into the skin, then apply more. Okay, so basically this is the fucking serum, but you made it so complicated. What the fuck? Oh, so I guess you twist it and then it opens. This could be an amazing product, and maybe it's because I'm just stupid. It's probably because I'm stupid, but like I just don't have the fucking patience for this. But A+ for actually making me scream because I thought I was about to kill the world. So I don't even know. Anyway, let me know if anyone has tried this and has results, because if it has results, listen, I will fucking break one of these open with my goddamn teeth, okay, and figure it out. But if this is just some bullshit, let me know, because I love hearing from y'all. But all right. We got one of these. Okay. Now, last but certainly not least, we have a perfume roller ball in the fragrance Yuzu, and it's from Solenote. Solenote's Paris. Okay. Ooh, I'm not mad at this. Smell. Okay, I literally just said I'm not mad at it, but if I could show your face, it looked like you just drank spoiled milk.
This one's like cheap fruit.
It's yuzu.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now I smell what you're saying, the cheap fruit.
Yeah, it's better than the last one.
Oh, the last one was
by a lot.
Garbage, yeah.
But yeah, it's not bad.
Open this. How do you think you would open it?
Break it?
It's glass, though.
Yeah, you have to break it.
Like get like a tiny ship. Isn't that complicated for a face serum?
Yeah, that seems a little excessive.
Right. I feel like I think it's like $50. I think $40 is packaging, and then $10. I love how you couldn't even put it in the box.
I gave up.
He literally just did this. Just threw it like that.
Yeah,
okay.
I'm all set.
Okay, so this smells like cheap fruit. Cool. Cool. Okay, so that was the icons box. I mean, so this is alright, this is okay, this is okay, hand cream, this, I personally didn't like it, but maybe if you fuck with this, you might like that. This was oddly way too dark for me. This, if you like it, you like it. This, I'm kind of fucking on the fence about. I really don't understand it, and the yuzu thing, like, whatever, it's fragrance, who gives a shit. Okay. I could fuck with this part of it. This, which is pretty much half the box right there if you think about it. And these are the things that are probably the most expensive stuff. These are the things that are obviously the cheapest things. So think about that, okay? When you're about to purchase this, think about that. Maybe this is your cup of tea, maybe it's not. I think if I were to purchase it on my own, I don't think I would be a fan of it. But that's a preference thing at the end of the day. So, anywhoosies, I'm so curious though. Let me know down below if you have pick this up or if you have this and if you like it and if it makes sense. I'm curious because presentation wise it's really throwing me for a fucking curveball here. And yeah, okay, so with that said, I want to say thank you again to Look Fantastic for sending this my way, and if you are interested in checking out this, you can get it for 22% off if you use the code Theresa22. And yeah, all right, on that note, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button, it's free, and hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon. To all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies, thank you so much for keeping this delicious, disgusting, filthy, trashy, really filthy, really gross garbage boat afloat. I couldn't do without you, and I love your adorable little delicious faces. If you want to know what is currently on my nails, everything will be listed in the description box below. And I'll see you little cupcakes later. Bye.